Hi, this is Tony from Gatecrafters, and we're talking about the newest and the greatest remotes from LiftMaster. LiftMaster's been through a lot of changes with their remotes, and they've now settled on this new system, which are primarily two different remotes. The 811 LMX, and this is an 813 LMX. This is a 3-button. 811 LMX is a 1-button. They work with all the latest released LiftMaster gate openers. And then there's something else too that we need to talk to you about. And this is a 3-button version of the PPK 3M. This is a single button version of it. And why this is unique, it interacts with the CAP XS and XM systems so that you can record who is entering and exiting your property. This one's going to open the gate operator, but there's going to be no record of who came in and who came out. This is basically the same thing, but it give you a record of who came in and came out. So if you're going to order the any of the LiftMaster gate openers and you get a CAP system with it, you can request the remotes that record who's entering and exiting your property. So again, if you're just getting a gate opener, no CAP system, you're going to get 2 of these with every LiftMaster gate opener that you purchase from us. They're not provided by LiftMaster, they're provided by us within the kit. There are other LiftMaster remote controls, and they handle the legacy versions of it, because there's been 3 different frequencies in the last 20 or 30 years, and so you can't count on this operating older units. Certainly call in to one of our specialists and we'll be able to let you know. And also keep in mind, if you're buying a LiftMaster gate opener or even a remote from us, we have tech support 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern time. So if you have any questions, we're here to help you 7 days a week. So again, hopefully that straightened out some of the differences in LiftMaster remotes, and we're going to help you out there. Thanks a lot.